and welcome back to our channel, Learn to Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the half-up railroad braid. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. I'm going to spray a little wax spray, just calm our flyaways, and to get better grip. You're going to start by sectioning off the top part of her hair. You can do a little bit or you can do a lot. I'm going to go ahead and do it a lot because she's got thick hair and it will look really good with thick hair. You're going to split this into 3 equal parts. You're going to take the outer left strand, just take a piece of it right here. You're going to go under this strand here, over the middle strand, then you're going to combine it with the right strand. Now you're going to take the outer right strand, take a section off of that, and you're going to go over that strand, and then under that middle strand, and combine it with the left strand. And you're just going to repeat this all the way down. Again, take the left outermost strand, split a piece of it off, turn it, bring it under that strand, over the middle, and you're going to combine it to the right strand. The outside of the right strand, take a piece of that, bring it over, then under that middle strand, then add it with the left strand. Okay, so make sure that it's all flushed up there. And you're going to repeat it again. The outside left strand, take a piece of that, bring it under, over the middle strand, and then add it to the right strand. The outside right strand, take a piece outside of that, go over it, and then under, and then add it to the left strand. So you're going to basically have the left strand go under and the right strand go over. So again, the left strand goes under, over, and then add it with the right strand. Outside right strand, take a piece, you go over it, under the middle strand, and then add it to the left strand. And that is all there is to it. See how it looks like a railroad kind of? See how it's already separated? I'm just going to go ahead and get that part of the hair that's already separated and bring it under, then over that middle, and then bring it over to the right side. Again, the outside of the right strand, go over, then under. The left strand is already sectioned out for you, so you can go ahead and section that off. Go under, and then over the middle strand, and back over to the right strand. This is all repeated to the end, or however far you like to have it. So, one more time. The right outside strand, go over, under the middle strand, add it to the left strand. It's all repeated. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only.
Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world. kings of the world. And anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world.
Okay, I'm going to stop right here, and I'm going to go ahead and secure this off with an elastic band. So I'm going to take these two and bring it underneath this tail and secure it right off. So I'm going to have her hold this tail here, secure it right off, right here. Loosen out the outside parts, just pull them out.
Never be alone, let the highway be our home, 'cause I'll go where you go.
Now this style coils a lot, so if you don't like it to coil and you just want it to look flat, you can put it into a ponytail at the very end and it'll stay put, just like that. Put a little hairspray, final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success in following our videos and projects we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now this helps us to make more videos for you.
Don't forget to smash that like button
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
to watch more of us. Click on over there. We love you guys. Until next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys. God bless.